Hello dear students, this is the question number 5 of exercise 6.4. The question is, find the least number which must be added to each of the following number, which must be added. As to get a perfect square, also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So in question number 4 we have done which must be subtracted. So I have told you that whenever the question is for addition and subtraction, we will use long division method. Okay, so here the first question is 525 by using long division method. Okay, so now write down like this: 525. In long division method we have to make the pairs like this. From right hand side one pair and this is also second pair. So with the help of 2 square is 4, you can write like this. Now subtract it. If you subtract, you will get 1. After that bring down this pair, 25. Add the same number or you can multiply with 2. You will get 4. Now put a blank here. Now we have to find this digit. So this digit will be, if you put here 1, so 41 into 1, you will get 41. If you multiply by 2, if you put here 2, it's 42 into 2, 84. That is very less than. So if you put 3, 43 into 3 is equals to 129. Because 129, this is greater from 125 now, so we will choose this digit. So here our answer is 2, here 2, after that here 81. Now if you subtract it, you will check 41 is our remainder, because it is not a perfect square number. That's why remainder is left now. Remainder is here. Remainder is 41. Okay, therefore अब आप देखो रिमाइंडर 41 है. इट मीन्स 22 का स्क्वायर मीन्स 22 का स्क्वायर ये लेस देन होगा 525 से, और यू कैन से 525 ग्रेटर देन 22 स्क्वायर. क्लियर. अब आपको क्या करना है, वेन एवर द क्वेश्चन इज फॉर एडेड, जो भी आपका आंसर आए लाइक 22, सो यू हैव टू टेक द नेक्स्ट नंबर, द स्क्वायर ऑफ 23. वाई वी आर टेकिंग 23? बिकॉज 22 आंसर था, तो 23 का स्क्वायर लोगे. नेक्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर लेना है, इज इक्वल्स टू कितना होता है 529. ओके, दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट नंबर. 22 आंसर है, तो उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर लिखना है आपने 529. क्लियर यहाँ तक. अब चेक करो, दिस इज योर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. दिस इज अवर, इट इज द required perfect square number. Always what you have to do, if your answer is suppose करो 25 आता, then you will take 26 का square. After that if your answer is 30, so your answer is 31 square, because the question is for added में ये करना है. अब the question is given 525, but we want the perfect square is 529. तो क्लास अपने को what we have to add, क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा, 525 से 529 तक आना है. so the number must be added, the least number must be added is equals to, देखो 529 we want and 525 already given, so we have to add 4 in 525. 5 to get 529. ओके, बिकॉज 525 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है, एंड वी नो दैट नाउ, बिकॉज अभी भी तो 23 की स्क्वायर फाइंड की है, 529 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर जो कि रिक्वायर्ड है. सो वी हैव टू ऐड 4 टू गेट 529. दिस इज योर आंसर. After that, it is also written find the square root of the perfect square number. Now 525 is your perfect square or 529? We know that 529 is the perfect square number, so write down like this. 500 square root of 529 is equals to 23. Okay, this is your answer. Clear? Now move to the second part. Now the second part is 1750. So same question by using long division method. Okay, so you can write like this 1750. after that do the pairing. 17 किसकी स्क्वायर के पास है? 4 स्क्वायर, तो 4 स्क्वायर, 4 यहाँ पे लिखोगे, 4 वहाँ पे, 16. नाउ ऐड द सेम नंबर, 4 and 4 8. after that put a dash here, 1. bring down this 50. now put 1. if you put 1, 81. if you put here 2, so 82 into 2, 164. is it okay? Now because 164 is greater, so we have to choose this number. So 1 here and 1 here, 81. Now subtract it. If you subtract, you will get 9 here and 69. it is okay. Now because remainder is here, I am writing here remainder is 69. so स्क्वायर ऑफ 41, ये जो आंसर आया 41 का स्क्वायर, ये लेस देन है 1750 से. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. देखो ओनली एडेड वाले क्वेश्चन में ही ये करना है. वेन एवर द क्वेश्चन इज फॉर व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, तो जो भी रिमाइंडर रहेगा दैट इज योर आंसर. बट एडेड में क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर लेनी है. 41 है, सो 41 का नेक्स्ट नंबर 42. 42 इंटू 42, 1764. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. दिस इज द perfect square number. Clear? Now we want this number 1764 and it is given 1750. so what should be added? hence देखो 1750 गिवन है, अगर इसमें 14 ऐड कर दें देन 1764 मिल जाएगा. सो इट मीन्स 14 शुड बी एडेड. 14 must be added, therefore 14 must be added. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. ओके, 1764 माइनस 1750, तब भी आंसर 14 आता. सो 14 मस्ट बी एडेड. क्लियर? नाउ ऑल्सो वी हैव टू राइट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 1764 जो भी इसका आंसर है, ये देखो इस 42 की स्क्वायर है. So the square root of this number is equals to 42. This is your answer. Clear? Now move to the third part. Now third part is 252 and the fourth part is 1825. Both part are very easy. You can try yourself. Okay. Now I am doing here fifth part. So the fifth part is 6412. So using long division method. using long division method. Okay, so write like this. After that, what we have to do, we have to just making the pairs. So first pair from right hand side and second pair from right hand side. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 8 square is 64. So just write down like this, 64. Now subtract it 0, so it means bring down this pair. Now 8 and 8 16, you have to just write the double here. After that just put a blank. Clear? Now here if you check 12 is here. If you put here 1, like आपने अगर 161 भी पुट किया तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 1 से, so you will get 161, but that is very greater than from 12. Yes or no? So it means we have to put here 0 first. तो 0 आंसर आएगा. So 0 because अपने को less than, we have to take less numbers, less than लेना ना 12. So here 0. Okay, if you subtract it you will get 12. Now as you see, this is your remainder. It means this number is not a perfect square number because remainder is here. Here remainder is equals to 12. It means 80 square is less than this number. Now the next perfect square number is equals to 80. Next number is 81. 81 square, 81 into 81, 64. So 165, 6561, 6561. This is your perfect square number. Okay, this is the required perfect square number. So now what must be added? Now subtract both the numbers. 6561 minus 6412. If you subtract it, okay, you will get 941, 149. This number must be added to this number to get the 6561. That is your perfect square number. Okay, so now just write this statement, 149 must be added. एंड एक क्वेश्चन और पूछा हुआ है, दैट जो नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट, सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर इज इक्वल्स टू 81. ऑलवेज जो आप नेक्स्ट नंबर निकालते हो, दिस इज योर आंसर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 completed. Now move to the question number 6.